Down.
Yeah. What do you think about your new little RC truck?
I love it.
The Voltage Granite Rrma from Horizion Hobbies. You like it?
Yep.
It's pretty durable. And if you break this one, you can buy the parts to fix it. It is waterproof. We had done a water playing with it. And the pit bull likes to try to eat it. And we'll do donuts repeatedly. You're throwing rocks all over me. Haha, throw rocks on yourself. Alright, go. Look what a rooster tail you're throwing. Uh-oh, you stuck on the... The bagel and Bruno's like, what is this contraption? Well, that one's definitely built better than the other one, ain't it?
Yep.
Power donut. Power donut.